Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physical Education Classroom once again. Today, I will start from vitamin K. Vitamin K is derived from the word coagulation, which means clotting of blood. So, what is the meaning of coagulation? It means clotting of blood. This vitamin is helpful in clotting of blood. Due to the deficiency of this vitamin, blood does not clot easily and generally blood continues to flow for longer time. इसका मतलब क्या है? So the deficiency of this vitamin, basically blood does not clot easily and it start to continues to flow for a longer time. The requirement of this vitamin is more for the pregnant ladies. Its deficiency also causes anemia. So you have to learn the deficiency also. So the deficiency of vitamin K, it causes anemia. Sources. This vitamin is mainly available in cauliflower, spinach, cabbage, tomato, potato, green vegetables, wheat, egg, meat, etc. Next, water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex. There are 12 vitamins under vitamin B complex. That's why it is also known as B complex. So normally under this vitamin there are 12 another vitamins. They collectively form vitamin B complex. Vitamin B1 or thiamine. So student, you have to learn the another name also. Vitamin B1 or thiamine. This vitamin is also called thiamine. This is a colorless vitamin. Its taste is salty. Its smell is just like yeast. It helps in metabolizing carbohydrates. So basically vitamin B1 or thiamine, it actually helps to metabolize the carbohydrates. It maintains the health of liver, kidneys, intestines, stomach, brain, etc. It also maintains the health and the efficiency of nerves and muscles. It helps in the assimilation of vitamin A in our body. So vitamin B1 or thiamine, it actually help to assimilation of vitamin A inside our body. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes numerous ailments such as the skin disease. So the deficiency of vitamin B1 or thiamine, there are different skin diseases occurred. Headache, lack of concentration, sleeplessness, loss of appetite, मतलब भूख ना लगना, इंडाइजेशन, हजम ना होना, लोअर हार्ट बीट बहुत कम हो जाना एंड द रिटार्डेशन ऑफ द मस्कुलर एफिशिएंसी. दिन ब दिन अपनों का मतलब हम लोगों का जो मसल का जो एफिशिएंसी है, एक्टिविटी करने का जो क्षमता है वो कम हो जाता है. ड्यू टू द एक्यूट शॉर्टेज ऑफ विटामिन B1 एंड इंडिविजुअल में फॉल प्रे टू बेरी डिजीज. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. तो नॉर्मली deficiency of B1 or thiamine, basically individual may fall to prey beriberi disease. So the deficiency disease of vitamin B1, that is beriberi. Its deficiency may cause constipation, irritation and anger. Development of body stops if there is any shortage of vitamin B1. Next, sources. Wheat, groundnuts, green peas, orange, pig meat, liver, eggs, green vegetables, rice and sprouts are rich sources of vitamin B1. Next, vitamin B2 or riboflavin. This vitamin is yellow in color. This vitamin is usually destroyed in sunlight and in cooking the food for a longer time. So if we cook our food very longer time, so the vitamin B12 is basically destroyed or in great sunlight. It helps in the preserving and the maintaining the characteristic of youth, tightness and smoothness of skin, activity body tissues. It is essential to keep the eyes, nose, mouth, lips, tongue in healthy state. The deficiency of this vitamin causes shunted the growth. So the deficiency of vitamin B12, B2 or riboflavin, basically it actually stunted the growth, unhealthy skin and inflamed eyes. आइज में इरिटेशन होना, आँख फूल जाना, जलन महसूस होना. Its deficiency also decreases immunity power of white blood corpuscle. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. Basically vitamin B2 actually decreases the immunity power of WBC. Sources. This vitamin is richly found in egg yolk, fish, pulses, peas, rice, yeast, wheat, and green vegetables. Next, vitamin B3 or niacin. Vitamin B3 or niacin is water soluble, so our body does not store it. This means that our body can excrete excess amount of the vitamin if it is not needed. So you have to learn first another name of vitamin B3, that is niacin. Vitamin B3 or niacin water soluble, and so our body does not store it. This means that our body can excrete excess amount of the vitamin if it is not needed. So as because it is easily dissolved in water, that's why if the level of vitamin B3 increased in our body, so the vitamin is excreted. Its deficiency may cause pellagra. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. So normally vitamin B3, if the deficiency is occurred, it may causes pellagra. Symptoms of this deficiency include indigestion, fatigue, vomiting, and depression. Next, sources. Food sources of vitamin B3 include yeast, meat, fish, milk, egg, nuts, green vegetables, beans, and cereals. Next, vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 is also called pantothenic acid. It is necessary for making blood cells. It plays a vital role in the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates for energy. So actually B5 plays a great role to break down of fats and carbohydrates. So when we intake fats or carbohydrate, actually B5 help to decompose them. The deficiency of this vitamin may include the symptoms such as fatigue, insomnia, depression, irritability, vomiting, stomach pain and burning feet. मतलब ऐसे burning feet मतलब महसूस करेंगे अगर हम चलने लगेंगे के पैर के नीचे, मतलब इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है, जलन महसूस करेंगे. Sources. The main sources of this vitamin include meat, fish, whole grains, egg yolk, milk products and soybeans. Next, vitamin B6. This vitamin is vital for the formation of the hemoglobin. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. Vitamin B6 actually plays a great role to the formation of hemoglobin. This vitamin also keeps the skin healthy. So sources, this vitamin is richly found in meat, fish, egg yolk, yeast, rice, wheat, peas and etc. Next, vitamin B12. Its color is red. This vitamin is usually destroyed in the cooking for a longer time. If we cooked our food very longer time, so vitamin B12 actually destroyed. Its deficiency may cause anemia. So if the level of vitamin B12 is decreases inside our body, it may causes anemia. Folic acid. Folic acid is a tasteless, colorless, odorless and yellow in color. So basically it is a tasteless, odorless and yellow in color. Simple cooking can destroy this vitamin. If we cook the food, then folic acid is totally destroyed. It is essential for the reproduction and growth and development of body. This vitamin is helpful in the blood formation also. The deficiency of folic acid may cause loss of leukocytes. So इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. Basically the deficiency of folic acid, it may cause the loss of leukocytes. मतलब ब्लड में ल्यूकोसाइट का कम हो जाना, ये लक्षण है deficiency of folic acid. Sources. Folic acid is found in yeast, spinach and liver. Next, vitamin C. Vitamin C can be called ascorbic acid. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. Vitamin C is anotherly known as ascorbic acid. It is odorless and white in color. Due to the presence of vitamin C, wounds are healed up rapidly. So basically, if the vitamin C is good in level inside our body, तो any kind of wounds are healed up. मतलब बहुत जल्दी ये ठीक हो जाता है. It is significant in the increasing the metabolic rate. So actually vitamin C help to increase the metabolic rate. It is helpful in the absorbing iron and calcium also. The deficiency of this vitamin cause scurvy disease. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. The deficiency of vitamin C, that is scurvy. The individual who do not take fresh fruits and vegetables are often affected by this disease. It is also helpful in maintaining the health of the connecting tissue, formation of bones, and the red blood corpuscles. Generally, blood flows from the gums due to the deficiency of vitamin C in the body. So, if the blood come out from our gum, so it is the basically symptom of deficiency of vitamin C inside our body. During illness and growth period of children, this vitamin is helpful. Next, sources. Lemons, pineapples, grapes, apples, oranges, tomatoes, amla, green chilies, green vegetables, turnip, cabbage, spinach, sprouty pulses are rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is found in higher quantity in amla, green chilies, and tomatoes. Next, minerals. Minerals are essential elements for the balanced diet. They have specific contribution for the maintenance of health, growth, and development of body, formation of teeth, blood clotting, and the maintaining the balance of acid and base. Different types of minerals are described below. First of all, calcium. Calcium is helpful in the formation of teeth and bones. So basically the main composition of our teeth and bone, that is calcium. It helps in the clotting of blood also. Moreover, calcium is also beneficial in the maintaining the balance between acid and base. Calcium is found in milk and milk products, egg yolk, orange, green vegetables, etc. Next, phosphorus. Phosphorus also helps in the formation of bones and teeth. It is found in a rich quantity in egg, fish, liver, milk and unpolished rice. Unpolished मतलब नॉर्मली हम लोग घर पे जो राइस बनाते हैं, मिल या फैक्ट्री में जो नहीं बनता है, मतलब वो आर्टिफिशियली नहीं बनता है, दैट इज अनपॉलिश्ड राइस. It is a good source of phosphorus. So another composition of bone is, that is phosphorus. It actually helps to the formation of bones and teeth also. Next, iron. Iron is helpful in the formation of the hemoglobin. Its deficiency causes anemia. So that if the deficiency of iron inside our body, it may causes anemia. Liver is the best source of iron. Besides liver, iron is found in meat, egg, dry fruits, spinach, banana, green leafy vegetables, etc. Iodine. Iodine is essential for the proper functioning of the thyroid gland. So the level of iodine actually dominates the function of thyroid gland. The deficiency of iodine causes goiter disease. If the deficiency of iodine inside our body, it may causes goiter disease. Also, deficiency of iodine may hinder the growth and development, and the skin may become rough and fatty. Normally, if the deficiency of iodine occurred, basically our skin will be rough, scaly and fatty. There is no proper growth of hair due to its deficiency. Iodine is found in sheepfish in rich quantity. Iodized salt should be taken for its proper supply. Next, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride maintains the balance of acid and base. It also helps in the concentration of muscle, मतलब contraction of muscle. तो muscle को हम लोग खींचते हैं, stretch करते हैं, ये help करता है. मतलब ये चीज़ में help करता है कौन? सोडियम क्लोराइड, मतलब common salt, जो हम लोग जो नमक खाते हैं. It is a common salt. It is found in milk, meat and eggs. Next, potassium. Muscles become weak due to deficiency of potassium and the body does not remain active. So if the level of potassium is decreased inside the body, muscle become very weak. Deficiency of potassium, the body does not remain active. हम लोग बहुत fatigue महसूस करेंगे, खुद को weak महसूस करेंगे. Its deficiency causes fear, constipation, sleeplessness, मतलब नींद नहीं आएगा, decreased heart rate and the Addison's disease. It is found in rich quantity in carrot, beetroot, onions, tomato, mango, orange, banana, apple, etc. Next, sulfur. Sulfur is essential for cells. It is also essential for the formation of nails and hair. The deficiency of sulfur may cause falling of hair and breaking of nails. So if the sulfur deficiency occurred inside our body, our hair fall will be start and breaking of nails will be start. It is found in milk and milk products, green vegetables, beetroot, eggs, pulses, carrot, tomato, etc. Onion also. Copper. It helps iron in the formation of hemoglobin. Actually, copper help in the formation of hemoglobin. It is found in egg, pulses, and green leafy vegetables. Next, cobalt. It protects from anemia and it is found in the green leafy vegetables. And zinc, it helps in the growth of hair and it is also well supplied in green vegetables. Next, magnesium. It brings out the foul smell through the urine. The deficiency of magnesium may cause spasms to the muscles and hands and legs. मतलब हम लोगों का हाथ या पैर में नॉर्मली जो स्क्रैच आ जाते हैं, इस स्क्रैच आने में हेल्प करता है कौन? मैग्नीशियम. मतलब डेफिशिएंसी अगर होता है मैग्नीशियम का, ये स्क्रैच आ जाता है. इट इज फाउंड इन meat and vegetables. So student, I hope all of you understood because this portion is too easy. So for today, up to this portion.